How to solve this integral 3x squared dx? First of all, we know that the 3 is constant, so we can take it out from the integral, okay? It will be left with x squared dx, okay? After that, we know that to solve this, we will apply power formula of integration, which is integration of x raised to power n dx is equals to x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where c is any constant, okay? So here we will apply this formula and we will get 3 x square, it will be x raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is equals to 3 x raised to power 3 upon 3, these two cancel out, okay, plus c, and this is equals to x cube plus c, where c is any constant. This is our answer. All right.